The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ottawa County in northwestern Ohio, Erie County in north-central Ohio, northeastern Sandusky County in northwestern Ohio, until 3 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:31 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Castalia, or 7 miles south of Port Clinton, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Sandusky, Port Clinton, Castalia, Marblehead, Bayview, Sandusky South, Hickory, Fairview Lanes, and White's Landing. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.